Did you know that equations have past lovers? Yup, because they're always looking for their ex. Good day, my dear viewers. I'm Kuya Ems, and welcome to Chokat Lapis. This is Sipnayan Symmetry, and you're watching episode 5 of our 20-part series on algebra. Today, we'll learn how to solve linear equations one step at a time, from the simplest to a full word problem. A linear equation is a math sentence where the variable has no exponents. That means the power of x or your variable is just 1. No x squared, no x cubed, no fancy stuff. It's called linear because its graph is a straight line. Some examples of linear equation: x plus 5 is equal to 9. 2x minus 3 is equal to 11. 3 times the quantity x plus 2 is equal to 18. Let's start with something simple. X plus 5 is equal to 9. To solve this, we need to isolate x. The standard way is to use the inverse operation. That is, in our case, we will subtract 5 from both sides of our equation to remove the constant 5 next to x. We will subtract because the term that we want to remove is positive. If it's a negative term, we will have to do the opposite. So let's do this step by step. X plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5. 5 minus 5, of course, is 0. So the left side will become just x. On the other side, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So our answer is x is equal to 4. Simple, right? In the Philippines and some other parts of the world, we also often use transposition. It's a shortcut where you move a term to the other side of the equation and change its sign. It's almost exactly the same as using inverse operation, but for some, transposition is actually easier to remember. Now let's level up a little bit. 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. Let's do the inverse operation. Since we want to remove negative 3, we will do its inverse. We will add positive 3 in both sides of the equation. So 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9 plus 3. Negative 3 plus 3 will cancel out, so that would become just 2x. The other side will become 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. But we still need to isolate x. In order to do that, we need to divide 2x by 2. And of course, we need to do that as well on the other side. So 2x divided by 2 is x. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So our answer is x is equal to 6. Now let's try one with parentheses. 3 times the quantity x plus 2 is equal to 18. Using the distributive property, we will multiply 3 to all the terms inside the parentheses. So 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So our equation now becomes 3x plus 6. Let's bring down 18. And this time, let's do a transposition. We will transfer the constant 6 to further isolate the variable. So positive 6 will become negative 6 when you move it. So it will become 3x is equal to 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. But we still need to isolate our variable further. To do that, of course, as we have seen, we will divide 3x by 3. 3x divided by 3 We'll cancel out 3. And we should do the same operation on the other side. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So our answer is x is equal to 4. Let's apply this to a simple word problem. Lisa bought several notebooks. Each one costs 30 pesos. If she paid 150 pesos in total, how many notebooks did she buy? In word problems, it's just a matter of interpreting the problem and writing it in the correct algebraic expression. So we have an unknown, which is the number of notebooks. Let's assume that it's a variable x. So we know that if we multiply the number of notebooks to the price of each notebook, we will come up with the total cost. So 30 is our price times our number of notebooks, which is x, is equal to 150, which is the total cost. So our expression is 30x is equal to 150. Once we have come up with the expression, it's just straightforward. Let's isolate the variable x. In order to do that, we need to divide both sides by 30. 30x divided by 30 is x. And on the other side, 150 divided by 30 is 5. So Lisa bought 5 notebooks in total. The key to solving linear equations is following clear steps. You need to isolate the variable using inverse operation or transposition, whichever you prefer, and do whatever operation is required. I am giving you practice problems to solve. You can try them on paper and post your answers in the comments. Don't be shy, because Kuya Ems believes in you. You can do it! Kung natuwa ka sa episode na to, don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa susunod nating kaalaman. Dito sa Chalk at Lapis, sama-sama tayong matututo sa pinaka-nerdy pero pinaka-fun na paraan. Mag-iwan din kayo ng comment kung may gusto kayong topic na i-feature natin next. Salamat mga giliw kong manonood!